Hello. OpteriX for HVAC has made it easier than before to set up the bill of material for VRF and VRV systems especially. It's done in three simple steps. First, you select the copper pipes of different sizes as per the drawing. The next step is to select the ref net joints, the drain pipes, etc. This is a semi-automatic process. And the third, which is a fully automatic process, is a selection of all the supporting items, the tapes and the glues and the sleeves, etc. To see how bill of material is prepared, let's switch to the designer dashboard where this happens. We go to the files and sales orders where all the confirmed orders are, and we select the order for which we want to create the bill of material, and we go to this circuits. The circuits presents all the circuits that have been designed at the proposal stage for this particular project. There are three circuits in this project. These are the three outdoor unit models, and all the indoor units have been distributed among these outdoor units. For each of the circuits, some circuit detail has been provided. This helps us in creating the copper selection for every section of the drawing. Our first step in creating the bill of material is selection of the copper, right? So we start by hitting this button called setup BOM. In this copper selection screen, we can see that different locations have been set up based on the circuit detail that was entered in the earlier step. So now we have to pick different sizes of copper pipes for each of these sections in the drawing. So we do that by selecting a copper pipe here and then entering the lengths required for that particular pipe. So as can be seen, I have selected different sizes of copper for the different locations in the drawing and set their lengths that are needed. Now I'm going to hit this button called compute BOM. When I hit the compute BOM button, it consolidates all the copper pipes by the sizes that were listed earlier for the different sections of the drawing, and it puts the consolidated number for each of those sizes. It also brings in the ref nets and drain pipes and some of the other items for the designer to pick and choose. They can change values, quantities of these items here and save. So let me make some of those changes and save. I have made some changes to some of these quantities here, added some values to the ref nets, removed some items. I'm going to save it. Now my billable items are ready. The more important parts of the drawing are ready. Now I'm going to get the dependent items by hitting this get dependent items button. So what it does is it pulls in all these other items like the sleeves and threading rods and so many other things. It has pulled in all of those things which may be required for this project. And now I can save it and I'm done creating the bill of material. I can look at a printable copy like this. If I wanted, I can print it and file it away. And if I am satisfied, I can hit this button called confirm BOM. What that does is it consolidates all the bill of material for each of these circuits and puts them in a grand bill of material for the whole project. So here I have the bill of material for this circuit and the other circuit, etc. So this is the complete quantity of all the items that are required for this project. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it easy to use. This is an important step and we are committed to making this step especially and the whole software in general as easy to use and as reliable to use in business as possible. So we welcome your suggestions, your feedback in terms of the technicalities as well as in terms of the ease of use and the correctness of the process, etc. So please do reach out with your suggestions. Thanks again.